Welcome. If you care about your privacy and want more control over what loads in your inbox, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to make Gmail ask before displaying external images. This simple tweak can help protect your data and keep your email experience secure, especially with all the tracking pixels and hidden content that sometimes sneak into our messages. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Take a moment to make sure you're signed into the right account. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. It's those three horizontal lines, usually in the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. Now scroll down until you see Settings. Tap on Settings to open up the list of your email accounts. If you have more than one account added to Gmail, you'll see them all here. Tap on the email account where you want to change this setting. Once you're inside your account settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Images. This is where you can control how Gmail handles images that are sent to you from outside sources. Tap on Images. You'll see a couple of options pop up. What you want to do is select Ask before displaying external images. This means Gmail will now prompt you before it loads any images that come from external servers. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference for your privacy and security. Whenever you get an email with external images, Gmail will show you a prompt, giving you the choice to display those images or not. This helps prevent unwanted tracking and keeps your inbox a little safer. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you've taken control over how images are displayed in your Gmail app. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might need a little extra email privacy. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.